Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway.
Hello guys, dito kami sa church. Dito sa Antipolo. Ngayon nagki-picture yung mga aming magulang. At nag-stay kami dito para siguro mag-explore.
Hintayin nyo na ako dito.
Next, okay na? Next destination daw namin is ano daw, sa tita daw ni Papa, siya may-ari ng Starbucks doon. Fresh.
To and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel.
So for today's vlog, for today's vlog, dito na kami ng mga 4 PM. Andito kami sa Bikers Cafe na gustong punta ni Papa dito sa San Mateo, Rizal. So as you can see, this is the scenery. Ayan. Ito yung update namin sa vlog at katatapos lang namin kumain.
3, 2, 1, go.
Bigyan mo na lang ako highlight gano'n.
Oo.
Ay, nalaman mong wala pala.
Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me off. Where everybody knows your name, everybody knows your